When most people think about luxury cars, they imagine expensive repair bills and constant problems. But the truth is, there are a few models that break that stereotype. These are the luxury cars that not only deliver comfort and style, but also the kind of reliability you wouldn't expect. 2013 Infiniti G37. The Infiniti G37 is one of those rare luxury cars that delivers performance and dependability in the same package. Powered by a 3.7-liter V6 engine, it produces plenty of horsepower and has a reputation for lasting well over 200,000 miles with regular maintenance. Unlike many luxury sedans from the same era, this one doesn't come with endless electrical problems or fragile turbochargers. Mechanics often call the G37 a safe bet because the drivetrain is so simple and overbuilt. On the road, it feels sporty and engaging, with responsive steering and strong acceleration. Yet it's also comfortable enough for everyday commuting or long trips. The cabin is practical and premium, offering leather seats, solid materials, and straightforward technology that doesn't overwhelm the driver. What makes the G37 stand out is that it breaks the stereotype of unreliable luxury cars. It gives you the upscale feel of a sports sedan without the constant repair bills. For anyone who wants luxury ownership without the stress, the Infiniti G37 is a hidden gem in the used market. 2016 Lexus GX 460. The Lexus GX 460 is one of the few luxury SUVs that's built like a truck, and that's exactly what makes it so durable. Under the hood sits a 4.6-liter V8 engine, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, a setup that's simple, understressed, and designed to go hundreds of thousands of miles. Mechanics like it because it avoids the overly complex turbocharged engines found in many European rivals. On the road, it delivers a smooth and quiet ride, but don't let the comfort fool you. The GX is extremely capable off-road too, with body-on-frame construction and a proven four-wheel drive system. It's just as tough as it is luxurious. Inside, you get premium materials, 3 rows of seating, and modern safety features, making it a dependable choice for families. What really makes the GX 460 stand out is its reliability record. While many luxury SUVs can turn into money pits, this one holds its value and keeps ownership costs surprisingly low. For buyers who want a rugged yet refined SUV, it's one of the best long-term investments in the luxury segment. 2014 BMW 328i. The 2014 BMW 328i is one of the few German luxury cars from this era that mechanics actually respect for its improved reliability. Earlier BMW 4-cylinder turbos had issues, but by 2014, updates to the N20 engine solved many of the big problems. Paired with BMW's excellent 8-speed automatic transmission, this model delivers both smooth performance and long-term dependability when properly maintained. On the road, the 328i shines with sharp handling, precise steering, and the kind of driving feel that made the 3 Series famous. It's a car that makes daily commuting exciting while still being refined enough for long highway trips. Inside, you get classic BMW styling with supportive leather seating, high-quality finishes, and a driver-focused cockpit. The technology is modern without being overly complicated, giving you features like navigation, Bluetooth, and premium sound. What sets the 2014 328i apart is that it combines the prestige of a BMW with lower-than-expected ownership costs. Mechanics often point to this year as a sweet spot, where buyers can enjoy the thrill of a German luxury car without worrying about constant breakdowns. 2014 Acura MDX. The 2014 Acura MDX is proof that a 3-row luxury SUV can be both practical and dependable. Built on Honda's engineering foundation, it comes with a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This setup is simple, smooth, and capable of lasting well past 200,000 miles with only routine care. Mechanics often recommend the MDX because it avoids the costly surprises that many European luxury SUVs are known for. On the road, the MDX balances comfort and handling beautifully. The ride is smooth and quiet, yet it feels stable around corners. With available all-wheel drive, it's also a safe choice for families living in areas with tough weather. Inside, it's spacious and versatile, offering seating for 7 and flexible cargo space when the rear rows are folded down. Premium touches like leather upholstery, advanced infotainment, and a long list of safety features make it feel upscale without being overcomplicated. What makes the 2014 MDX stand out is its reputation as a family SUV that just keeps going. For buyers who want luxury, space, and reliability all in one package, this Acura remains one of the smartest used choices. 2015 Audi A4. The 2015 Audi A4 is a compact luxury sedan that proves not every European car has to be a headache to own. This generation came with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that, when properly maintained, is known for lasting well beyond 150,000 miles without major issues. Paired with either a manual or Audi's refined automatic transmission, it delivers a smooth yet engaging driving experience. On the road, the A4 feels balanced and confident. The steering is precise, the suspension provides a comfortable ride, and with available Quattro all-wheel drive, it handles all kinds of weather with ease. That combination of control and comfort is what makes this car stand out in its class. Inside, Audi's reputation for high-quality interiors really shows. The cabin is sleek, with premium materials, supportive seats, and technology like navigation, Bluetooth, and an intuitive infotainment system. It feels modern without being overly complicated. What surprises many buyers is that this version of the A4 doesn't come with the constant repair bills people usually expect from German luxury cars. Mechanics often call it one of the more dependable Audis of its time, making it a smart choice for anyone who wants European style without the usual stress. 2015 Volvo S60. The 2015 Volvo S60 is a luxury sedan that combines Scandinavian design with rock-solid dependability. Known for its focus on safety and durability, this model offered a range of engines, but the 5-cylinder and 6-cylinder options are especially respected by mechanics for their long-term reliability. With proper maintenance, these cars regularly push well past 200,000 miles without major issues. On the road, the S60 feels composed and confident. The steering is precise, the suspension delivers a comfortable ride, and higher trims bring in a sportier edge for those who enjoy spirited driving. It's a car that feels equally at home on city streets or long highway cruises. Inside, you get the clean, minimalist design Volvo is famous for. The cabin features high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and excellent visibility. Safety technology was also a highlight, with features like collision warning, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assist available. What sets the 2015 S60 apart is its balance of luxury and practicality. While it offers all the refinement of a European sedan, it avoids the constant mechanical issues that many rivals face. For buyers who want something stylish, safe, and built to last, the S60 is an underrated choice. 2015 Mercedes E350. The 2015 Mercedes E350 is one of the most dependable models in the E-Class lineup, a car that mechanics often describe as a sweet spot for Mercedes ownership. Under the hood, it uses a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine. No turbochargers, no overly complex parts. Just smooth, proven power that can easily last well over 200,000 miles. Paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission, this setup is refined, durable, and much less troublesome than what you find in newer models. On the road, the E350 offers exactly what people expect from a Mercedes: comfort, stability, and effortless cruising. The suspension soaks up bumps with ease, while the cabin remains quiet and composed even at high speeds. It's a true highway luxury sedan. Inside, the quality is unmistakable. Premium leather, elegant wood trim, and advanced technology for its time make the E350 feel timeless. Features like navigation, driver assistance, and adaptive cruise control only add to the sense of security and convenience. What makes this Mercedes stand out is that it breaks the stereotype. While many European cars from this era are known for being expensive to maintain, the 2015 E350 proves that with the right model and engine, you can have prestige and reliability in one package. 2014 Acura TL. The 2014 Acura TL is one of the most underrated luxury sedans of its time. combining Honda's rock-solid engineering with premium comfort. Under the hood, it came with either a 3.5-liter or a 3.7-liter V6, both naturally aspirated engines that are famous for their long-term reliability. With regular maintenance, it's not unusual for these cars to surpass 200,000 miles while still delivering smooth and consistent performance. On the road, the TL offers a nice balance between sporty and comfortable. The steering is sharp, the suspension is firm enough for spirited driving, and with available super-handling all-wheel drive, it feels secure in all weather conditions. At the same time, it's refined and quiet, making it a great option for commuting or long highway trips. Inside, Acura gave it an upscale feel with leather seating, premium materials, and tech features like navigation, Bluetooth, and advanced audio options. The layout is simple, functional, and built to last, something many owners appreciate years later. What sets the 2014 Terralators apart is that it delivers the prestige of a luxury sedan without the typical repair headaches. Mechanics often recommend it because it avoids the complicated systems that drive up costs in other brands. For buyers wanting affordable luxury and long-term dependability, the TL is a standout choice. 2016 Lexus RX 350. The 2016 Lexus RX 350 is one of the most popular luxury SUVs ever sold, and for good reason. It combines comfort, style, and dependability in a package that mechanics love to recommend. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup is smooth, efficient, and known to last well over 200,000 miles with routine care. Exactly the kind of reliability Lexus has built its name on. On the road, the RX 350 delivers a quiet and refined ride. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps with ease, while the cabin stays whisper quiet, even at highway speeds. Available all-wheel drive adds extra confidence in bad weather, making it a dependable choice year-round. Inside, it feels every bit like a luxury SUV. The 2016 redesign brought sharper styling, premium materials, and updated technology, including a large infotainment screen and advanced safety features like lane departure alert and adaptive cruise control. What makes the RX 350 stand out is how little it asks from its owners. Unlike many luxury SUVs that rack up expensive repair bills, as they age, this Lexus is known for long-term durability and low maintenance costs. For anyone looking at the used luxury market, the RX 350 is one of the safest bets you can make. 2015 Lexus ES 350. The Lexus ES 350 is one of the best examples of a luxury car that doesn't fit the stereotype of being unreliable or expensive to own. The 2015 version is built on the same proven foundation as the Toyota Camry, which means it carries all the refinement of a Lexus, while keeping maintenance simple and affordable. Under the hood is a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, a combination that mechanics love because it's smooth, reliable, and capable of running for hundreds of thousands of miles with just basic upkeep. On the road, the ES 350 delivers what luxury buyers really want: comfort and quietness. The ride is incredibly smooth, the suspension absorbs bumps with ease, and the cabin stays whisper quiet, even at highway speeds. It's the kind of car that makes long trips effortless and daily commutes stress-free. Inside, Lexus gave it a premium feel with leather seating, wood trim, and a spacious layout that's as comfortable for passengers as it is for the driver. The 2015 update also brought improved technology, including a larger infotainment display, smartphone connectivity, and advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control. What makes the ES 350 special is that it's a true worry-free luxury car. While many of its European competitors can drain your wallet with constant repairs,